Hello. So this is Robertson Upholstery. I started a chair yesterday, stripped it all off, and I think I did a video, but I'll probably put it out there. So this is how things are progress, and a few people are learning upholstery. It's interesting to work with different fabrics, and this obviously is a plaid, and the secret is trying to keep it looking neat, and you can probably see that the patterns there sort of match either arms, so you know you've got that sort of uniformity. Can't say the word. Then that wing back that shows the stripe coming down and connecting up with the arm below. It's not essential, but it helps if you can keep it all tidy. So I'll put this out there, and you can have a look at it. Okay, bye now. Bye.